Hello everyone, this is Muye Industry. Installation tutorial for Ford Ranger a pillar spotlight bracket. First, check if the main body and accessories match the screen. Pre-install the driver's side bracket. Take the matching main body to fit the upper bracket, clip into the reserved slot and flip to the back. Fix with M614 countersunk head screws. Then install the lower bracket, clip into the matching slot, fix with M616 cup head screws. Install the spotlight extension bracket, clip into the upper middle slot of the main body, fix with two M616 cup head screws. That's the end of the bracket pre-installation part. Prepare the passenger side main body, accessories and the remaining for screws. Passenger side pre-install steps are the same as driver's. Fix 3 accessories with screws after clipping into matching slots. This is how the installed driver's side bracket looks. Next, open the hood of the engine compartment. To install the driver's side bracket as shown, remove 2 original car screws and keep them for later use. For the pre-installed driver's side bracket, face logo letter R to the rear of the car. Tear off the protective film of the 3 meters adhesive on the back. Align with the original screw holes. Adjust the bracket to fit the car body tightly. Reinstall the 2 removed original screws into the holes and tighten them firmly. Slide the spotlight base accessory into the chute above the main body and tighten to screws to fix it. The installation method of the passenger side bracket is exactly the same as the driver's. First, remove the 2 original screws at the passenger side. Face the logo letter R of the passenger bracket forward, tear off the 3 meters film to align the holes, adjust to fit the car body, then reinstall and tighten the original screws. Next, let's learn to install the spotlight. Remove the upper spotlight base, insert the spotlight screw rod into the reserved hole, tighten and fix with a nut. Slide the spotlight installed base into the bracket chute and tighten to fixing screws. Remove the nut of the second spotlight, insert the screw rod into the bracket's reserved screw hole, tighten and fix with a nut. That's the end of the entire installation. Thank you for choosing and trusting Muye Industry. Let's check out the finished effect.